Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is logo design and it will be the pictorial logo design. So let's start and make a pictorial logo. So first of all, I will edit here, then I will go for the main design which is pictorial logo design. So let's start. Here I will edit, sorry, Pictorial pictorial, then logo. Pictorial logo design. So here, here you can see pictorial logo. Then I will change here some colors. Then change here some colors, and it will be the. I will take here today. Take here and red, and this one should be the, and this one should be the also right. And so here you can see I'll going for save. Yes, saving. Then I will export it as png format. Okay, and replace it with the past. So you can see here. Now I will go for the main design, which is pictorial logo design. So go for the template. I will take 10 into 10 inch template, so create it. Yes, here is my artboard, and now I will place a picture, and then I will shadow of it, place a picture. Here you can see, here I will take from here, or let's see, I will take from here. I'll take from here. You can see there are many. I will take today elephant. So here you can see here link template. If if anyone is clicked, then you have to remove clicked. So let's place it. There is no click, so let's place it. Here you can see I place the picture, and which is a elephant. So here you can see. So I will going for the lock here, selection lock. Then I will edit this. Uh, so I have to take the pen tool here. You can see here. Yes. So I have to have the out of this color, and so that's why. Um, and here I have to take this. Then this one. This is very easy to art. So art this. Here you can see. So add this. You can see here. This is very easy to art. Here you can see this is it, and I will make it one, and it should be the white, sorry, it should be the black. Then I will I will do something new, and it should be the trail, sorry. Okay, and it should be the black also. So this is my art, today's art, you can see here. And now I will go for the unlock and then I will delete this, and then and you can see here I will, okay, now how it look like. Now I will edit here something new, which is, and this is it. And now I will also edit here, and it's it this is the eye of the elephant and how it look like now, and this is it. Mm, and this is the pictorial logo. This is also the pictorial logo, and I will and make a color, of it, make a color of it. So I will make a color here. I'll give a color of it white, and this portion should be the white, and I will delete its top. How it look like now? Yes, this is perfect. This is perfect here. You can see here. This is the logo. This is the pictorial logo, and I will here now. I will edit something. Uh, Now I will write here, which will be the elephant, elephant. Then I will go for it. Yes, this is good. This is good. And now, yes, this is the perfect things. So I will here make here some change. Yeah. create outline this and now ungroup this. So here you can see I will take this on here, this one should be here, and this is my theme, and see how it look like now. This is the logo, and you can see how it look like now. I think it's look pretty good. Good to see that this is a pictorial logo plus the typographical logo. So let's make this logo, and please watch my video and do subscribe my channel and be with us, and just comment on our comment box, please, and that will be inspired for us, and it will be the very helpful for you. And please, thank you all. Do subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.